Oh my god, I don't know what to do about this hair loss and baldness issue. I'm very much depressed due to this. Even after undergoing many hair treatments at various hair clinics, treatments no satisfactory results achieved and everything is a waste. I spent a huge amount of money, time and energy on various hair treatments. Now I'm really confused and don't know what to do and how to get rid of my baldness.
Hi, how are you? Hope doing well?
No my friend, I'm confused and worried of my hair loss and baldness.
Don't worry, my friend, I've a good news for you. Few days before I was also facing the same problem of hair loss and baldness. But when I visited at Face Looks Hair Clinic in Noida Sector 18, within 2 hours a revolutionary hair treatment which helped me to get my head full of hair and I was so happy you can't believe. Now I can ride a bike, do swimming, and perform any day-to-day activities. I can participate without any hesitation in any family or business functions and events. Nowadays no one even teases for my bald head, I had before. Because my friends, well-wishers and relatives everyone are surprised by looking at my crowning glory and are also jealous of my hair look. So, what are you waiting for? Visit Face Looks Hair Clinic now and change your hair look within 2 hours. And enjoy a happy life.
Thank you, my friend. I will immediately visit at Face Looks Hair Clinic at Noida Sector 18, now. Okay, so, this is Face Looks Hair Clinic, which my friend told me to visit and to avail hair treatments to get rid of hair loss and baldness. Hooray, at last I got my head full of hair, I regained my personality and hair look. I'm really very happy now. At Face Looks Hair Clinic, they've a wide range of hair treatments for hair loss, baldness, hair thinning, hair loss by chemotherapy etc. So, with my experience, I highly recommend Face Looks Hair Clinic, at Noida Sector 18, to those facing hair loss, baldness and any hair-related issues.
For free demo and consultation you can call or WhatsApp us at 910-572-5871.